So, good morning. I've just done my hair and blow dried it for the first time. Happy September, everybody. And I just realised that I need all new hair products. And yes, everything has run out, so I'm going shopping at Haircare Cyprus. Come with me. So, my hair is very fluffy and frizzy, so I need smoothing and I need some new shampoo. I have an oily scalp, so I'm going to use, well, I always use my scalp tonic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, because when you have a blockage or a buildup of oils on your scalp, they can cause hair loss. So I like to maintain mine with this. This is my scalp tonic in the bag. And then I use Solvex. This is oily shampoo, but I love Mediceuticals because it's actually designed for the skin. So I even use this on my face because if you have an oily complexion, it affects all of your skin. So I use the same tonic and shampoo on my face and on my scalp to maintain fabulous hair. And then I just took one of these. These are actually my skincare that I use. Oh no, I need one of these. I'm going to take this. This is an anti-aging oil. So no, I do not have Botox because I use these products. I'm just like loading that up. So that's for my skin. And then I'm okay for hair vitamins, but I'll show you, like, I normally take these hair vitamins as well. We have two different types, woman's hair and woman's hair professional. But since I'm a professional woman, I use the stronger one. The difference between these two is that this has 5,000 milligram of biotin, and this one has 500. So I go for the more stronger one. And they also have the skin, which is really nice. But be careful with vitamins because if you have an oily complexion and you increase your dosage of vitamins, sometimes you're, well, when I take them, because if they're too moisturizing, then I have like an acne breakout. So I have to balance the vitamins that I'm taking, not to take too many. Okay. And then I'm absolutely in love with Olaplex. I've started using it like maybe 3-4 months ago because I did like a big research on it, and I love it. I've tried other stuff, but I'm going back to it. So I love the combination of the Olaplex moisture mask. So I use that in the shower. So I've got my shampoo in my bag, and then I use my moisture mask in the shower in the bag. And then I am testing the Goddess, the new leave-in treatment, but I don't know, like, this is my favorite. I love this one. This is the Olaplex leave-in treatment. This is Moisture Mend Leave-In Conditioner, and I feel like it's just that bit more heavier, which is what my hair really, really needs. So I think Goddess would be nicer for more European hair types, but since I have Cypriot donkey hair, I'm gonna stick with my Olaplex. Okay, and then last but not least, my favorite, I love the After Party Smoothing Cream. Again, I've tried so many other things, but I love this because I can use it on wet and dry hair, and it really just reduces the frizz on my hair. It's a styling cream, and I love it. In fact, I'm just going to open it now because I put so much product on my hair this morning, and I feel like I was missing. So let me show you. And it's slightly opalescent, and I put it like that. And especially, you know, like on the ends there, I like to do that. Yeah, but I really notice the difference when I blow dry my hair with this. Yeah. And then obviously give it like 2 minutes, but it absorbs in really fast because my hair is like, yum. So yeah, that's my shopping cart. I'm ready to start the day now. Have a great day, everybody.